It's the age-old question. How do I get out of the house more quickly? As a certified professional organizer and the co-founder of Mission to Organize, I have some answers for you. Waiting until the last minute to do all of the things that you need to do before leaving the house is a recipe for disaster. That could mean arriving late to work or missing the cake cutting at your best friend's birthday party. With a little preparation and forethought, you can set yourself up for success. Whether you're juggling a diaper bag or a briefcase, we'll give you some insights into getting out the door fast. One of the biggest challenges that people like me have is deciding what to wear. There are just so many possibilities in there. Between the outfit, the jewelry, and the shoes, it really could take forever to decide. So try picking out your outfit in advance. If you need to leave in the morning, gather all of the components the night before. Don't forget to grab everything, including blazers, bras, underwear, socks, and all of it. This way, when it comes time to get dressed, there are literally no decisions that need to be made. It'll be a no-brainer, and you can get on your way. We all have to eat, and the sooner that we think about that, the better. If not, you could end up eating out every day or going hungry on a regular basis. Well, I'm always hungry, so I make sure that I have something to eat before I leave the house. And this may mean prepping something the night before or having healthy no-prep foods already ready. And that means that I need to think about that at the grocery store. You may also find that you need to take a snack or a lunch with you when you leave the house, and that involves a little more forethought. Is there food that needs to be cooked or veggies that need to be chopped? Which container are you going to use? Is your lunch bag cleaned out? Well, if you wait until the last minute to put all of this together, it's likely to be an undesirable meal, or it simply won't happen at all. You need to nourish your mind in order to maintain a productive pace throughout the day. Most of us spend the majority of our time in the morning in the bathroom. And while there are things like makeup and hairstyling that just can't be done in advance, there are things that you can prepare which will minimize your morning personal care routine. Consider showering at night instead of in the morning. This is a great time to wash your hair and shave your legs too. Think about how much time it could save you. Also, consider how easy it is to access all of the products and the tools that you use on a daily basis. They should be close at hand in a cabinet or on a shelf. Try using caddies and pouches to easily transport the items to and from their storage location. Having all of the things that you want to take with you by the door is one of the easiest ways to increase your efficiency. Keys are the obvious example of this. Whether it's a bowl on a table or a hook on the wall, have a place to store your keys at the door where you enter and depart the house. Always immediately return them to this location. It's pretty easy to do once you get into the habit. Not everyone has a closet by the door, but if you do, it's a great place to store all of your coats, hats, gloves, and scarves. Ideally, this will be a seamless one-stop shop on your way out the door. If you don't have a coat closet, place packed bags, purses, and shoes near the door. I have this shoe bench, which works really well to stash away all of that and more, so that I'm prepared to skedaddle in a jiffy. Which tips did you connect with today? Are there any changes that you plan to make to your routine? Comment below and go ahead and subscribe while you're here. We've always got new organizing tricks to share with you right here on M2O TV and on our social media. Search Mission to Organize for the latest. See you next time. Bye.